Good morning. Great organizer. My name is Sandra Yolanda Gomez Cristancho. My life vacation. Hoy nei a hoy place. I Vega, Cundinamarca. Hoy kai activity you did. I walked. I dance. I play ping pong. I swam. Hoy food, hoy try. I ate sancocho and chicken. Spatial P. You met. I knew to my friends. I went to Mass in hoy church principal. I knew hoy park principal a hoy Vega. I drive a suit up strawberry in hoy dining room. I ate sancocho and chicken. I too ate photo to hoy swimming pool in hoy I to X1. I went to hoy plus a marker to buy orange. Sang sorcho. You should arrive working for enter 2 miles. You should reserve a hotel with anticipation. You should know all sites, tourists and I Vega. You should kind and not marry. You should kind black. Sola. Thank you.